Is your Garmin watch stuck on the logo screen? This is a common issue, often called a boot loop, where the watch can't complete its startup sequence. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to get your Garmin back up and running. As of February 2026, this issue still affects many Garmin models, including Phoenix, Forerunner, and Venue series. Several factors can cause your Garmin to get stuck on the logo. The first common cause is low battery, specifically when the battery drops below 10%. When the battery is too low, the watch doesn't have enough power to complete its boot sequence. Another cause is interrupted firmware updates through the Garmin Connect app. If the update process gets cut off, it can leave the system in an unstable state. Conflicts with third-party apps or widgets can also cause startup issues. These apps might interfere with the watch's core functions. Physical damage, such as water exposure, can damage internal components and prevent proper booting. Finally, firmware mismatches can occur after syncing with incompatible devices, causing the system to fail its startup checks. In all these cases, the watch's operating system checks system integrity during startup, and any interruption prevents it from booting correctly. The first and often most effective solution is a hard reset. This clears temporary memory without deleting your data. To perform a hard reset, press and hold the power and light buttons simultaneously for 15 to 20 seconds. Release the buttons and see if the watch restarts normally. This simple step resolves many common boot loop issues. If a hard reset doesn't resolve the issue, try reinstalling the firmware using the Garmin Connect app or Garmin Express on your computer. Connect your watch to your computer using a USB cable. Open the Garmin Connect app or Garmin Express and follow the on-screen prompts to update or reinstall the firmware. This process will overwrite any corrupted files that are causing the boot loop. Garmin's Web Updater is another external tool you can use for forced firmware reinstallation. When to consider a factory reset? As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. Be warned, this will erase all your data. Only do this if other troubleshooting methods have failed. A factory reset should only be considered as a last resort when other troubleshooting methods, like hard resets or firmware reinstallation, have failed to resolve the logo stuck issue. Important warning: performing a factory reset will erase all your data from the watch. This includes personal information, workout history, installed apps, and custom settings. Specifically, you'll lose your personal information and settings, all workout history and activity data, any installed apps or widgets, and custom watch faces or configurations. Therefore, it's crucial to back up your data first using the Garmin Connect app before proceeding with any reset. The factory reset process varies by watch model. Typically, it involves accessing a reset option through button combinations during startup, such as holding the power and light buttons for 15 to 20 seconds. Always consult your watch's user manual for specific instructions tailored to your model to ensure you follow the correct procedure. Software updates are crucial for maintaining your Garmin watch's performance and preventing issues like boot loops. Keep your Garmin watch updated with the latest software. Garmin releases updates that include bug fixes and improved boot diagnostics. As of late 2025, Software Update 14.2 included improved boot diagnostics and automatic recovery mechanisms. Regular updates significantly reduce the risk of encountering boot loop issues. Make sure the battery is sufficiently charged above 50% when updating. If none of the software fixes work, the problem might be hardware-related, such as a faulty power button or charging port. If your watch is under warranty, Garmin extended warranty coverage for older models with hardware issues until 2027. Contact Garmin support for repair or replacement. The trend is towards software-driven fixes, with Garmin focusing on AI-assisted diagnostics to preempt boot failures. Over-the-air OTA updates are expected to minimize user intervention. Experts predict that AI diagnostics will eliminate 90% of these problems by 2030, aligning with Garmin's R&D focus. Stay tuned for more resilient hardware-software integration in future Garmin devices.